So, pumunta kami sa Whimsyland last January 25 because we are invited by no other than Blackwater for their women or their first product launch, which is totally amazing and very fairy tale like venue doon sa SM North EDSA Annex. And I found a lot of famous influencers right there, even anak ng CEO, si Whimsy, and also the models, and also Adie. Nandun si Barbie Forteza, but our schedule is tight, so hindi namin siya na-meet up. But don't you worry, I have the PR package from BW. And actually, andito yung dalawa pa. Kasi sinama ko na siya dito during sa travel namin. Kasi ang laki-laki eh. Thank you by the way, BW, for inviting me, having me on your special event, and having this PR kit na ang laki-laki, ang bigat-bigat. This is the package how it looks like. So we have our first one. It's a box. And then, yung pangalawa is this paper bag. Itong paper bag, during transit, tinransfer ko siya dito sa box para, you know, mas compact yung travel ko. I can absolutely use this paper bag for gift or other special occasion kasi ang tibay. Anyway, so I got another big paper bag. When I got the event, pinabigyan kami ng dalawang Deo spray because they have 5 cents for that. And nilagyan namin siya ng chain. This is how it looks like. I'm so shocked when I open it kasi napakadami! Tingnan nyo guys. They also have a sticker. I can absolutely use this for my books or even on my laptop on. Napakadami! 1, 2. Ito yung binigay nila sa amin. Ito kay Bobby at ito yung sa akin. Tapos nilagyan namin siya ng friendly chain. Ang nilagay ko Ikeria. Dito din sa kabila is Ikeria na chain. This is how it looks like. Ito yung scent na nabet namin. The Spell and Whimsy. So I'm gonna explain you ano yung pinagkaiba nila scent. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo na meron silang 5 scent? And actually, I am so overwhelmed. Kasi kompleto pala. Lahat ng scent nandito. So beside dun sa tuna na favorite scent na napili namin, meron din siyang Wish, meron ding Dream, of course yung Spell, yung Whimsy, and then we have this Lullaby. Imagine, they gave us this complete 5 variant ng BW product launch na Deo body spray. Oh my God, thank you so much BW for having me this. I love it. And yung laman, by the way, ng paper bag na cute, yung tatlong to. So if I'm gonna combine this, therefore, meron akong tatlong Whimsy, dalawang Spell, dalawang Dream, at dalawang Lullaby. Isa lang yung Wish ko. That's okay. Because my favorite scent is this one naman. I'm gonna share you the notes of this body spray. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin, by the way, sa kilikili, sa neck, or any part of your body na feeling nyo, kailangan tumabak siya. Okay, but use this externally. Let me try this one first. I'm gonna show you this one. Actually, na-try ko na pala to. This is how the bottle looks like. Andito yung ano niya, spray niya. Mahalata mo naman yung handle ng spray kasi pag ganyan siya. O meron yung mga thumb na figure. And you just have to spray that onto the area that you want to be smell good. See, napakadami ng product na i-produce niya. So, therefore, lahat ng area makakover niya talaga. For Whimsy, so this Whimsy, the reason why I love this scent because yung top note niya, guys, is orange. And then, may pagka-pineapple and strawberry, which is good for unisex. Parang bet din to ng partner ko. So, pwede na siyang pang unisex. At the same time, yung heart niya is meron siyang freesia, jasmine, peach, at saka violet. And even the base has coconut, german, wood, at saka of course, the mask one. So, if you prefer that note, then go with this Whimsy. Okay, next, we're gonna jump with our another scent. My favorite one also is Spell. Ito sa Spell, I really love it. So, lagay natin siya sa leeg. Oh, smells so fresh. So, the reason why I love Spell, it's because the top note is bergamot, pear, blackcurrant and berry. Tapos yung heart din niya is merong irish, peony, lily of the valley, and then tuberose. And then yung base is of course sandalwood. I really love sandalwood. Amber, tonka, pin, and of course musk. Kaya may dating siya and nanonood yung smell niya because of that. By the way, all of this Deo spray is antibacterial, so no worries if you're gonna use this. Next. So the Lullaby has the top note of acacia, plum, at saka bamboo. And then yung heart niya, guys, is heliotrope. So isa lang yung heart niya. And then the base is tungka bean, vanilla, and benzum. So very vanilla-ish to. And not that super very vanilla-ish, pero may typical na maamoy niyo yung pagka-vanilla na matamis. You can smell the sweetness of it na pwede mo na siyang kainin. Ganon. And then next we have here, etong si Dream. So basically, the Dream fragrance note, meron siyang top na orange, pear, strawberry, red currant. And then yung heart niya is rose, jasmine, violet gourmand. Tapos yung base is amber, dry, vanilla, musk. So this one also has a vanilla on it. So vanilla-ish pa rin. This has more like relevant with this Whimsy one. Pero vanilla vibes siya. Okay. I love this scent also kasi para kang bagong ligo. May kaamoy siya na sabon. Kasi napaka-fresh niya. Sabon or shampoo, ganon. May kaamoy siya guys sa Palmolive somewhere. Ganon yung amoy niya. Next, we have here si Wish. So, si Wish pala guys, meron siyang top note na green, citrus cocktail, apple, melon, red berry. So, very fruity. Actually, meron din siyang heart na mage, fresh jasmine, white, and irish violet. Tapos, yung base niya is spatula, musk, peach, at saka yung amber. Actually, I love this one also. Oh, parang conditioner. Awa siya ng conditioner. Kung ito shampoo, this one is conditioner. Ganon yung scent nila. So, if you prefer more vanilla-ish, this Lullaby and Dream has a vanilla-ish on it. For the Whimsy at saka si Wish, they have more orange. This tree has orange. Overall, ng Blackwater, I really love it. Thank you so much, Blackwater family, for inviting me for your special event. And also, I meet a lot of people and also mga kakilala ko out there. And would love to go with your next event. See you!